Hi guys, welcome back to the Baroque studio. For people who are new here, my name is Bhakti and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my favorite home decor topic, that is how to make your house smell amazing. Scent is one of the first things people notice about your home. The right scent can make your home feel fresh and inviting. I've got few decor ideas and hacks for you guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. First and the most important thing is to open all doors and windows every single day to let fresh air circulate through the house. Scented candles. I'm totally a candle lover. Scented candles are by far one of the easiest method available. There are different options available in the market. My favorite place to buy candles is from Bath & Body Works India and LightHouse candles. Is to use essential oil diffusers. Essential oils have natural healing properties. With just few drops of essential oil blended with water, you can instantly make your house smell amazing. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay updated on my latest videos and home decor trends.